And please don't forget to use my referral code so that you get $5 whenever you send money above $50. Let me go to Play Store like this, and I'll put in world 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 remit. So as you can see me over here, that's my word remit. The reason why I came here is that maybe you don't have the app on your phone. You can download it, and please don't forget to use my referral code so that you get $5 whenever you send money above $50, $50 and above, or you send money $50 and above. Yes, so you can, when you get here, you tap in word remit. You can, you can download it if you don't have it on your phone. So I have it on my phone, and when you get here too, and you need to update it, please try your possible best to update the app. So I'm free to go. I'm good to go now. Here we go. Let me go back like this. And yes, I'll tap on my WorldRemit app. I hope you can see it over there. I'll tap on it like this. Android Wizard. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Android Wizard. So this is my WorldRemit now. And as you can see, these are the transactions that I have been doing. I have been doing this one of my WorldRemit. So I send money to Johnson Mreku, as you can see. So on your app, you will see something like this under here. You tap, when you want to send money, you tap on send. Tap on send. Android Wizard. You tap on send. We are waiting. Android Wizard. So when you get here, all what you have to do, I hope you can see. If you are in US, it's already in US now, but any country that you can tap here on the US flag over there. You tap there like this. You tap there. You can tap there and change it to any country that you are, or after that you select the country that you are from, because when you are opening the account, they will ask you to select your country. So you tap there back like this. And yes, this time around you have to tap here where the Ghana flag is. You tap there too and select the type of country that you want to send the money to. We have so many countries over here. We have Zambia, Zimbabwe, Vietnam. We have Uruguay. We have United Kingdom. We have so many. Uganda. We have Turkey. We have Tunisia, Thailand. We have Tanzania. We have so many countries out here. South Africa. We have Somalia. We have Singapore. We have Senegal. We have Sierra Leone. We have Rwanda. We have Philippines. We have Peru. We have Paraguay. Pakistan, Nigeria. We have Niger. We have New Zealand. We have Mozambique, Morocco. We have so many, Mali, Malawi, Madagascar, and stuff. Worldwide, we have Kenya. We have Liberia. We have Jamaica. So you just select the country that you are sending the money to, so that as soon as you enter the US dollars, or you enter your euro or anything, as soon as you enter it, the money will convert automatically into that country's currency. So let me tap on Ghana. Here we go. So as you can see, as I entered $100, you can see the receiver is going to receive it 1,116.75 Ghana cedis, which is $100 now. And yes, it's telling me $1 is equal to 11 cedis, 106.746. So $1 is equal to 11 Ghana cedi, 1 point something. So after everything, you select. I hope you can see select method. So you tap on it. So the receive method, we have bank transfer, we have cash app, we have mobile money, we have top airtime top up. So if you want to top up airtime to the receiver, if you want the receiver to receive it through mobile money in Ghana, we have Airtel Tigo, we have MTN, we have so many. We have Vodafone Cash out here. So you can use mobile money. I don't know the country that you are selecting this from, but you can use the mobile money, and also you can use a bank transfer so that it will go through the receiver's bank account straight up, and telling me bank transfer is within a minute, and yes, cash pickup is within a minute, and also mobile money is within a minute, and yes, airtime top up too is within a minute. So today I'm gonna use mobile money. So I'll tap on mobile money like this. Here we go. Android wizard. And yes, as soon as you tap on mobile money, I hope you see the options over here. The mobile money options in Ghana is Airtel Tigo Money account, MTN mobile money account, and Vodafone money account. So in Ghana, we have three options of using mobile money. We have Airtel Tigo, we have MTN, and Vodafone Cash. So here we go. I'm gonna select Airtel Tigo now. So I'll tap on Airtel Tigo, and here we go. Android wizard. So I have selected mobile money, and yes, the receiver, the method is Airtel Tigo now. So I'm good to go. And not forgetting, please, not forgetting the receiver. I am sending $100, and the receiver is going to receive 1,116.75 Ghana cedis. So you can tap here and change the money, any amount that you want to send. Maybe $50. As soon as you enter your $50, and yes, you enter your $50, it's gonna change. It's gonna change automatically. It's gonna change. The $50 is gonna change automatically to Ghana cedis, and yes, the $50 is giving me 558.37 Ghana cedis now. So any amount at all that you want to send, you are good to go. You just take your time, you fill in the forms, very accurate and everything, because as soon as you do a little mistake, the transaction is going to delay, and it's going to pend, and maybe it could be cancelled. So please and please again, I've now used WorldRemit for several times, and as soon as you do it accurate and perfect, everything is going to reflect into the receiver's account instant, within a minute. I'm a witness of this, and please don't forget, I am going to leave my referral. I'm going to leave my referral code under my video description, and yes, I'm gonna show it to you over here too, so that you can use it to register WorldRemit. You can use it to open your account, and as soon as you send money, $50 and above, you're gonna receive $5 instant into your account without any delay. Yes, that's a bonus for you. So please don't forget to use my referral code. And here we go. Android wizard. So I'm good to go now. Assuming I'm sending $50, $50 now, and the receiver is going to receive 558.37. So I'm good to go. I'm using mobile money, which is Airtel Tigo in Ghana. I don't really know the country that you are watching this video from, but if you are in Philippines, you have the options over there. If you are in Nigeria, the option is over there. If you are anywhere, Kenya, Malawi, Zimbabwe, Zambia, all that place, the options are there that you can use. You can also use your bank account. So here we go. After everything, I hope, listen to this attentively. This is the secret. I hope you can see they've written promo code. They've written promo code. So it's now that you tap there like this. Here we go. Then you enter the promo code that I am giving you. I'll show you the promo code. So just watch the video attentively. Then use my promo code to send the money. And as soon as you send the money, you are going to receive $5 instant for your bonus for the transaction. So here we go. Let me go back like this. So I'm good to go. I'm not going to use any promo code now. So I'll tap on next. We are waiting. Android wizard. Yes, it's telling me who are you sending the money to. I already have Johnson Reku Jr. out here, which is a receiver, and I have already received. Send the money to this person, and the person has already received money from me before. So this transaction is gonna be smooth. But today, just want to show you how you can add everything. So I'm not going to use Johnson Reku Jr., but I'll tap on add a new receiver like this. There we go. Then it's telling me first name of the receiver. So I'll tap in. Let's see. I'll use another account. So I'll just tap with Johnson. Johnson. Then the last name will be Maraiku, which is Miracle Johnson, Miracle Maraiku. And yes, the middle name, the person, the receiver don't have a middle name. The receiver has only first name and last name. He don't have a middle name, so I'll just leave that one like that. And yes, it's telling me to select the country code is already showing, so it's telling me to put the number over there. So I'll just tap there and I'll just tap there and I'll put the number, maybe 02274021589. Android result. I hope you can see it over there. I hope you can see that over there. So I'll just you know then I'll tap on the country, which is the city or town, which is Accra, ACCRA, which is Accra. And yes, reason for sending money. I'll tap on reason for sending money. We have family or friend support. We have property payment. We have sending fund to self. We have purchase of service. So this time around, I'm gonna choose family or friend support like this. And yes, I hope you can see it over there. And yes, everything is accurate. And please again, please let me repeat this. I'll keep on repeating this several times because it's very important to me. As you can see, you have to make sure your information, your receiver's information is accurate. You take your time, you go through, you recheck everything before you submit. Please and please again, please and please again, and please again, because as soon as you do a little mistake that you do, the transaction is going to delay and it's not going to reflect into the receiver's account because of your mistake. So please, you cross check everything like this. I hope you can see. The name is Johnson. The first name is Johnson. The second name is Maraiku, which is Miracle. Miracle. People, some people will say Maraiku, but it's Miracle. So and the number, it's Tigo. So it's 0274 as you can see. And the address is Accra. So let me add Accra Bawe. Accra Accra Bawe Bulemi. As you can see it over there, that's the city and town. So after everything, I'll just tap on next. Here we go. Android Wizard. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. So here we go now. As you can see, we are waiting. So it's telling me, it's okay. It's telling me right now. It's telling me right now. It's telling me that I should, I can continue. As you can see on my screen. I'm sending $50 to the receiver, and the amount that the person is going to receive is 558.37 Ghana cedi within a minute, and that's mobile money. So if you forgot and you haven't put in your promo code, I hope you can see it's still asking me my promo code. So you just remember and put in your promo code. And yes, if your mind is making you as if, you can also show more details. You tap on show more details, and yes, this is more details. It's mobile money. The method is mobile money, which is Airtel Tigo money account. And yes, I'm sending $50, and receiver gets 558.37 Ghana cedis, and yeah, within a minute. So I'm good to go now. So I'll tap on, and yes, the receiver's name is Johnson Miraku. And yes, the city in Accra is in Accra. The city is Accra, which is Ghana, and I'm sending it for family or friend support. So I'll tap on next. Here we go. Android Wizard. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. And yes, it's telling me here we have so many options how to pay. We have credit card and we have debit card. This time around, if you want to use your credit card or you want to use your debit card, you tap on it. So I will tap on my debit card like this. Here we go. Android Wizard. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. It's preparing and it's preparing now. It's preparing and it's preparing now. As you can see, it's preparing and it's preparing now. I have my debit card over here, and the number, as you can see, I have my number over here. And yes, if you want to add a new debit card, you can add it. So right now, I'm gonna use this debit card now. I'll tap on it like this. And yes, it's telling me to put my CVC there. And yes, as soon as I put in my CVC there and tap on continue, everything will be accurate. So when you get here, just follow the steps and move on. Android wizard, your wish is our command, and your wish will always be our command. Please and please again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment under our comment section so that we can reply you 247. Android wizard, your wish is our command. And yes, you can continue when you get here, but now let me go back and show you my promo code. No, cancel payment. I have to cancel the payment now, so I'll just go back like this. I've canceled the payment because I did this for just a tutorial to show you how to do that. I'm not ready to send any money now. So yes, I'm going to show you my referral code now, and please make sure you use my referral code to register, to open your account, and to send money. And anytime you send the money, you are gonna receive $5 in your account. So let me tap on I'll just tap on click here, click out to check. And yes, listen to this: $50 for you and $50 for them. Once you refer a friend to send a minimum of $50 or more, you get $50 and they get $5. So if you use my referral code, you are going to get $5. And as soon as you open your account, you can also refer somebody and you get your $50 and the person gets $5. That's called affiliate marketing. So here we go. So let me got it now. So let me got it now. So let me got it now. So I think I have to give you my referral. My referral. And yes, as you can see it over here, I hope you can see my referral code, my referral unique code. I hope you can see it over here. Please and please again, use it. Use this referral unique code, and I'm going to paste it under my video description so that you can just go and copy and go and paste it there without stress. I'll just leave it under my video description. You just copy it, you go and paste it in there where you are sending the money, where you are sending your $50 and above, and you get $5 instant as soon as you send that money.